Nomenclatures of organic compounds having functional groups. Already we seen the functional group alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ketone. So many functional groups are we seen. See, the compounds having the same functional group undergoes a similar reaction. For example, the methanol, ethanol, propanol, all the compounds having the alcohol, the OH group is a functional group. So liberate the hydrogen gas and react with the sodium metal. So the presence of functional groups enables the systemization of the organic compounds into the different classes. See that how using of the prefix, how to use the suffix. So some classes are given here, that is in table number 12.4. You can see that. I will tell you that later. First of all, the functional group present in the molecule is identified, which determines the choice of the appropriate suffix. That is, the longest chain of the carbon atoms containing the functional group is numbered in such a way that the functional groups attached at the carbon atom possessing the lowest possible number. For example, here, suppose if I use CH3, CH2, CHOH, then CH3. See here, this is the lowest from this side. 1, 2, 3, third position. The functional group having third position. In this side, 1, 2, second position. So the lowest position is what? This is lowest sum rule. So that the carbon gets numbered as 1 and this carbon, and second, third and fourth. So that's mean butane 2-all. The name is butane because 4 carbon atoms are present. So that butane 2-all. Second position alcohol group. So that butane 2-all. So this is the IUPAC name. So using of, that is the alcohol here, the suffix you have to use in this case suffix. In case of the polyfunctional compounds are, that is one functional group is chosen as the principal functional group and the compound is the named on that basis, that is the remaining functional group, which are subordinate functional groups, are named as a substitution using the appropriate prefix. That is the order of that is the priority order you must choose. See, first in case of presence of the carboxylic acid, first, then SO3H, then COOR. Here R is any alkyl group, then COCl, then CONH2, then CN, then aldehyde, then that is simply we can tell that ketonic group, then alcohol, then amine group, then alkene compound, that is carbon carbon double bond, then carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, this is the order of the priority. So suppose in case of the aromatic group, for example phenyl group C6H5, the R is a phenyl group. The halogens are nitrogen, that is the alkoxy, etc. That is the always a prefix substitution. Okay, suppose using this halogens, so here chloro, you have to use the prefix. This I'm going to write a structure for this compound. So what happened? So Cl means this is a chlorobenzene. So you have to prefix. So prefix means chloro. This is a suffix. This is a prefix. Okay. Now here that in this case, see the prefix, the compound containing both alcohol and keto group is named as the hydroxyalkanone. So since the keto group is a preferred of the preferred to the hydroxyl group. For example, suppose the containing like HO, CH2, CH2 3 times, then CH2 CH2 C double bond O CH3. Okay, see this you have to give here. Look at the priority, which one is the first one in compare to ketone. This is the ketonic group, this is the alcoholic group. Here look at here, alcohol and ketones are present. So ketone having the first priority, so that you have to give the numbering from right to left. 1 2 3, then this having 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6, because 3 carbon atoms are, then 7. Okay, 7th position having the alcoholic group, so the name will be 7 hydroxy. So here this this is a hydroxy group, so that you have different functional groups are present, mean you have to use the hydroxy for alcoholic compound. So here 7th position having hydroxy, so that hydroxy is a prefix. Hydroxy 7, so 7 means one heptane, so heptane. Second position having ketone, so 2-one. So this is the IUPAC name, 7 hydroxy heptane 2-one. Not is a 2 that is 2 oxoheptane 7-ol, that is a wrong method. Okay, so many examples are that. Suppose using of that is Br CH2 CH double bond CH2. Here you have to give the name, that is the double bond is preferred first because of this. Okay, so that double bond, so this double bond carbon atom gets numbered first, 1 2 3. So first position is alkane double bond, that is third position is having bromo, so that using of 3 bromo, numbering you have to give like that, but in alphabetical order you have to use the any halogen compound that will be a prefix. So third position is a 3 bromo. How many carbon atoms are there? 3. That means 3 bromo. Probe first position is in. Okay, probe 1 in. So this is the IUPAC name of the compound. So if more than one functional group is same type are present, mean their name is indicated by the adding of di, tri, tetra, like this. That is the class of suffix. So in case of full name, the parent alkane is written before the class of suffix. Okay, for example, I'll write here that example as CH2 CH2, that is CH2OH CH2OH. Here 2 ethane, 2 carbon atoms, so ethane 1, 2 diol. Okay, or 1 2 diol, ethane 1 2 diol. So yeah, however the ending of Ne, that is the parent alkane, is dropped. Okay, then addition of the OL. So that is more than that is more than one double bond or triple bond is first you have to use it. For example, CH2 double bond CH, single bond double bond CH2. See here, this is 4 carbon butane, first position and the third position. So that using of this carbon 1 2 3 4. So that is buta 1 3 diene, because 2 alkenes are present. So that buta 1 3 diene. So this is the IUPAC name. Next is the nomenclature of the substituted benzene compound. See, before that, in aromatic compounds, we are not strictly following the IUPAC name, IUPAC system, because already they are well known in their common system. For example, benzene. See, benzene here This is a benzene. Know that the structure of the benzene. See, here we are using the IUPAC system, but in the IUPAC system, that's mean hex triene, that is 135 triene, hex triene. So because in benzene is a well-known compound, okay, that is why we are using the trivalent system or the common system. Many of the compounds, some compounds we are using the IUPAC system, but in aliphatic system we are strictly following the IUPAC nomenclature here, but in the aromatic system we are not like that. See, then look at this compound. Here the IUPAC nomenclatures of the substituted benzene compound placed a prefix, that is prefix to word benzene as shown the examples, showing the example like see the substituted benzene, see also used, that is the universally used. For example, this is a methyl, so you have to use that as the methyl benzene. Methyl benzene. Then commonly, generally we are calling toluene. Toluene is a common name. So this is the well-known compound. The toluene means the well-known compound. This is also universally accepted. Then look at this. This is a methoxy group. So methyl, Me indicates methyl. So methoxy. So methoxy benzene. Generally we are called in common system anisole. Then this is amino group, so that amino benzene, simply we are called in IUPAC system amino benzene. But in common system, well known compound, that is aniline. Okay, then this is a nitrobenzene, because nitro group is present in the benzene ring, so that nitrobenzene. This is a bromobenzene. So you have to use the suffix, prefix. All these are prefix. So bromobenzene. Here in the benzene ring, the di substituted. The position of the substitution defined by the numbering the carbon atoms rings, such that the substituents are located at the lowest number possible. Example. Look at this. So the example is here. Suppose if I use two bromine atom, this one bromo and this one bromo. Here, this you have to give numbering 1, 2. Either you can give 1, 2 like this or this way. You have to use any way. Okay. That means that is 1, 2 dibromobenzene. The name is 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Suppose the bromine atom is present here. Bromo and here. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 3 bromo, that is dibromobenzene. Here 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Here 1, 3 dibromobenzene. And look at here this. Suppose here using like this. Br here in the opposite direction having 1 Br. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to give the numbering in a clockwise direction. So 1, 4 dibromobenzene. So this is the name. See, in trivial system, the nomenclature term usually ortho, meta, para are used in the prefixes. That is the indicator related the position. That is the 1, 2. See, what is the ortho position, what is the para position, what is the meta position means here. This is suppose any group projection here like this means. So any group here, suppose this is any group, any functional group or any group present here means the adjacent positions are called ortho position. Then the opposite position is para position, and this too is meta position. Usually 1 5 1 5 and 3 sorry 1 1 2 2 and 6. This position is usually ortho, and this third position, that is third and fifth position, is meta position, and the fourth position is para position. Okay, always remember that. Suppose the group here means this will be a ortho. For example, wherever in the present, that is the group, any possibilities are there, that is the adjacent, that mainly you have to follow the adjacent position. Suppose the group is present here, the group is present here means this is a ortho position, because the adjacent position is in this. Okay, the first one is, and then this carbon atom. Okay, this is the ortho position. The opposite, this is a para and this is a meta. Okay, so remember that this is the very important thing. Then you have to use 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, whatever it is. So the here suppose in using, that is 1 comma 3 dibromo benzene is meta is abbreviated, so that in the here meta dibromo benzene, like this. Okay, other isomer, that is the here 1 comma 2 and that 1 comma 4, this is the 1 comma 4 or ortho. Okay, ortho, this is a ortho, sorry, this is a ortho and this is a para. Okay, this is a meta position. So suppose for tri or higher substituted benzene derivative, these prefix cannot be used, and the compounds are named by the identifying substitution position on the ring by following the lowest locant rule. Okay, in some cases the common name of the benzene derivative taken as the base compound. Okay, so the substituents of the base compound is assigned number 1, and then the direction of numbering is chosen such that the next substituent gets the lowest number. Okay, the substituent appears in the name is the alphabetical order. I will write the example. See, look at this example. Here in this case you have to give the numbering in such a way that, that is the chlorine get attached to carbon is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, here the first position is chloro. Chloro is always a which is a prefix, so that the first position use 1 chloro. Then second and 4 nitro compounds are present. This is also prefix, so that 2 4 dinitro, because 2 nitro, so that dinitro, then benzene. Okay, dinitro benzene. Not in the case of the 4 chloro. Suppose using a 1 2 3 4 mean, that is 4 chloro 1 comma 3 dinitrobenzene, wrong. Okay, you have to follow the priority order, so that the chloro gets first, number 1. Then look at this compound. This is here also in methyl group, that is methyl group gets numbered first, so that here using of this, because compared to this the methyl group is preference is given, so that 1 2 3 4. Okay, based on the substituent you have to follow. Suppose in this side presence mean you can use it this side. Okay, substituent presence are in this side, so that using of 1 2 3 4. Suppose in this substituent present here means this will be numbering like that. Okay, that's why we are using the anti-clockwise direction based on the prefixes, that is based on the substituent. Here now you can number it here. Prefix, which is a prefix, this and this, usually this is the prefixes. So first in alphabetical order use 2 chloro, next is then first position having methyl, so that 1 methyl, then fourth position having nitro, so that 4 nitro, benzene. Okay. Not in the case of that is 4 methyl. Suppose using of this 1, 2, 3, 4 means that is 4 methyl 5 chloro, or using like this 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 fifth position using means that is a wrong. Okay, the nearest substituent, so you have to follow the numbering like this. Okay students, then look at this example here, oxymethyl. So this carbon is preferred, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now name it 2-chloro. Here chloro is the prefix because of the alphabetical order we are using the chloro, so that second position having chloro. Fourth position is the methyl, 4-methyl. Then 4-methyl, simply we can tell it anisole. Sometimes I already said, sometimes we are using the common name also, that is the benzene derivatives also taken. So here simply we are telling like this, this is the anisole. Look, without this OMeCH3, this is anisole. So OMe is a, simply we can tell that is anisole. So this is methyl groups are present, so that methyl anisole, you can write methyl anisole. Without this, simply this is anisole, or methoxybenzene, simply common name anisole. In the presence of this, just 2-chloro methyl, fourth position methyl, so that 4-methyl anisole. So this is the correct way. Then look at this compound here. This group gets numbered 1, aniline. Okay, amine group. Then 2, 3, 4. Here in alphabetical order, this is the ethyl group, this is a methyl group, this is the nitro group. Okay, that is the we are using some common name also here, that is the fourth position having ethyl. So 4-ethyl, then 2-methyl, simply without these two, what we are called aniline. So that is why we are using 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. Okay, this is the name. Then look at this compound. This compound is alcohol is get numbered first 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can name it, that is 3,4 dimethyl phenol. We can write 3,4 dimethyl phenol. So when a benzene ring is attached to an alkane with a functional group, it is considered as a substituent, okay, instead of a parent. So the name for benzene is substituent is here what? Phenyl. Okay, that is C6H5 we are using, that is C6H5 is phenylic group, or that is also we can abbreviate PH. Okay, this is a phenylic group. Next is isomerism.